In this quick video, I just wanted to share some really cool ChatGPT prompts. On your screen, this repository on the GitHub contains a lot of good and really cool ChatGPT prompts, and the list is growing, and it is also acting as a data set for more intuitive and automatic prompt generation. In this repository, I just played out with some of the prompts, and especially in terms of role playing, and I will be showing you that quickly. And I will also post the link of this repository in the video's description. So, and also if you want to add your own prompts, you can clone this GitHub repo and then add your own prompts, which will be part of this training set. So if you scroll down to this repo, then you will see that there are few of the good prompts. For example, in this prompt, there's a role playing stuff where we are instructing this large language model to act as a Linux terminal, and then we are also telling it that what we are going to do. So we are basically setting the context and the stage and giving this bot as much information as possible as what we are expecting it to do. So let's play with this first example. So in my playground, in the sandbox, what I did, I just copy pasted that prompt here on the first paragraph, and then I'm just giving it few of the Linux command, and this hash greater than sign is what I typed just as to mimic what exactly reflects in the Linux prompt. So first I gave it the ls command, and it just gave me the output, and it is just a made up output. It's not running on my local laptop, it is just acting as a Linux terminal. And then I asked it, okay, what is the lsp release for my Linux? And then because lsp underscore release is primarily the Ubuntu command, so it is giving me the release 16.04, which is doesn't exist, so there is no such release. So it is just making it up and acting as a Linux terminal. So, for example, if I go ahead and give it a command such as like chmod or like txt, in that case, if I submit, as you can see, it has just given me, um, it has run it, and then it is giving me some of the permissions on this file. So let's try what it does if I delete this and give it a non-existent command. So instead of giving it a command, I'm just giving it some random number. So let's see what it does. It hasn't done really anything, so it's not as intelligent it seems. Let's make it very different. Let's see what it does now. That's good. So now, as you can see, it didn't find this command. So if you go back to that repository, you will see that there are a lot of other good prompts which you can readily use, like English translator, position interviewer, even JavaScript console, and then lots and lots of others. So I would really highly suggest that you play with it. Let's try out this stand-up comedian because I haven't tried it out yet. Seems like fun. And click on submit. Now look at it. It is thinking and writing. Okay, well, I will leave it to your discretion and decision whether you find it funny or interesting. But the thing is that it's pretty much on the mark, and it has produced quite a good witty response there. So that was about it. I would suggest go play with it and let me know your thoughts. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.